If English feels too fast for you, this video is different. We speak slow, on purpose.
10 sentences. Real slow. Perfect for beginners. Let's start. Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Today, 10 sentences you can use every day.
I'll say each sentence slowly. Repeat after me, out loud.
Take your time. No rush today. How are you today?
How are you today?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
How are you today?
How are you today?
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Where is the nearest bathroom?
Where is the nearest bathroom?
This is really delicious.
This is really delicious.
I'm sorry, I'm running late.
I'm sorry. I'm running late.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You just practiced 10 real sentences, slowly and at normal speed.
Comment the sentence that was hardest for you. We'll help you with it.
Follow for Real American English.